In this video, I'll guide you through how to cut and remove part of an audio section from your video or audio file in an editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to split an audio layer at the right spot and cleanly remove anything you don't want, like mistakes, background noise, or awkward pauses. First, start by importing your video or audio file into your editing software. Usually you can do this by going to the File menu and choosing Import, or simply dragging the file from your computer's folder into the Media Bin or Project panel. Give the software a moment to process the file, especially if it's a large video, and wait until you see it appear in your project area. Next, drag that video or audio file into the timeline. The timeline is where you see your project laid out from left to right over time. If you're working with a video, you'll usually see at least two layers appear, a video layer and an audio layer underneath. If it's just an audio file, you'll see a single audio track. Place the clip at the starting position where you want to begin editing. Now, move the playhead to the exact point where you want to make your cut. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the timeline. You can drag it left or right with your mouse, or use your keyboard's arrow keys for finer adjustments. Playing the clip and pausing just before or right at the spot you want to cut can help you be more precise. Scrub back and forth a little to make sure the cut is exactly where you want the audio to split. Once your playhead is in position, click to select the audio layer you want to cut. This is important. If you don't select the audio layer first, the editor might split a different layer, like the video, or nothing at all. You'll usually see the selected layer highlighted so you know it's active. With the audio layer selected and the playhead lined up, press Ctrl+Shift+D on Windows or Command+Shift+D on a Mac. This is the shortcut to split the layer at the playhead. After you press it, your single audio clip will become two separate clips, divided exactly at that point. Take a moment to zoom in and confirm the split happened where you expected. Now you can either delete or trim the unwanted part. Click on the section you don't need and press delete to remove it. If you want to keep part of it but shorten it, hover over the start or end of that clip until you see a trim icon, then click and drag to adjust the length. Play back the edit to make sure the transition sounds